Good afternoon, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures on Tuesday, April 16th, with some commentary here in the energy market. So let's dive right into it here. We have just seen a lot of exciting things going on here in energies. Take a look at where we were at here last week here and the momentum here to the downside. We got a lot of follow through with it here yesterday as we saw a lot of risk off type attitude across not just our equities markets, but most commodity markets. And some of that follow through was carrying through here today. Now, right now, prices have actually rebounded here this afternoon. We did make actually some new daily highs. Currently, we're slightly up on the day. We're trading around 89.10, but we had lows here today of 86.39. Highs today, we're just off those highs, which were around 89.27. This is for the June crude oil. Now, taking a look here at the Brent. Brent right now is off just a little bit. That spread has really tightened up. Give me a call, shoot me an email. You want to learn more about playing that WTI Brent spread, a lot of opportunity. Right now, the June Brent is off about 74 cents, trading around 99.89. Nat gas up a little bit. We're up about 3 to 4 cents, trading around the 4.20 range here. A little bit stable price action there. Taking a look at the complex now, still looking at the May complex here right now. We've got a mix there. RBOB here right now is up here about 2 3/4 cents at around 278.5, and the heat is actually off right now about 2 1/4 cents, trading around 280.70-ish area. So if you take a look at where we've been at here again with these prices here, you look here on April 10th, we were trading around just over $95 a barrel. And then as I mentioned here today, we hit lows there of underneath or right around $86 a barrel. So we've really seen a wide range there here. Now we are expecting to get API data out here later, and then of course we're going to get DOE data out there tomorrow. Traders looking for a build of about 1.5 million barrels. That's one of the things I've talked about in so many of these posts. Take a look at the supply side of oil. That market does appear to be, ample oil out there right now, very well supplied here. So, to me, it's not really a big surprise that we've seen oil prices come under pressure here and move into the upper 80s. Now, if we take a look at where that 200-day moving average is, which we saw a lot of consolidation around that area, in the June oil, it's coming in right around about $93 a barrel. And I think right now with the short-term technical indicators here that the market has really oversold itself at this point. And I think, traders should be looking to see if we could see a little bit of a bounce, a little bit of a correction here to the upside in that market. Right now, I'm targeting right around the 90.25 area. So we'll have to take a look and see, what the inventory data comes out here tomorrow and see if that's going to help give the market a little bit of a lift or not. Taking a look at the dollar here, we have seen that dollar here a little bit weaker. We've seen equities markets here today kind of firming up. So in general, I think, traders are looking for some potential, bottom picking here possibly. Now, one of the things I want to point out here is that, over the weekend, what we saw was China's GDP and industrial production data come out, and those numbers were a big miss here. So that really helped, push a lot of the base commodities here lower. But I think, again, as traders are kind of looking over all things now with the washout that we've seen in a lot of these markets, there could be some bottom picking in there. And I think, from the oil standpoint, although I think the market does have ample supply, as I mentioned here, I do think short-term technical indicators are very oversold, so I'm looking to see prices here possibly swing up. Give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to get into more detail with you. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.